Do you know who the Messiah is?
No.
The Messiah? I don't know who the Messiah is.
I don't know a lot.
If we know it, it will be amazing.
Kari Isreal kedai kawai kari kabala joong kari kabak pertai Kristen kabu rom banyokor bahaya ka kashnong kabananam hakeleng pertai kari kabaki nong itulpa jong blai kibanadu handain thai kidai kibami nengkong nagane kari pan le shak pertai man pen banang kerdeng ka jong blai bau yawai Henry ke pla kalong tang kuba 10% kuba tip yau Jisu bode we ulong we wan udah nege jak penring ay hato udah na Jisu Messiah tong ini page ke nege video ayu ke Paidbah Isreal ki cringe pang Jisu.
Let's find out. Do you know who the Messiah is?
No.
The Messiah? I don't know who the Messiah is.
I don't know a lot.
If we know it, it will be amazing.
He's the one that's supposed to bring happiness and joy to the world.
I think it's אליהו הנביא.
זה אני לא יודע להגיד לך, אחי.
What about you? What do you think?
Yeah, what do you think?
Wow. Moses, no?
Do you know anything about Yeshua?
No.
Jesus?
No.
Nothing?
No. Because I was in the Jewish school when I was young, so I never. Of course, I know the story, but like this, like everyone, but not too much.
Do you think he could be the Mashiach, the Messiah?
I don't think so. I don't think so. Maybe I don't want to say something stupid, So I don't know.
I love Jesus and I love everything, and I'm not religious. Religious cause a lot of problems.
Do you know who Jesus is?
Yeah.
What do you know about Jesus?
It was Jew. And
Even though he was Jew,
he was Jew. That's it.
but he's got for Christians.
That's another story.